Number 1. Discover the ultimate kitchen companion with the Chefman multifunctional digital air fryer. This versatile appliance does more than just fry, it's your go-to for rotisserie, dehydrating, and convection baking. With 17 touchscreen presets, effortlessly fry, roast, dehydrate, and bake your favorite meals to perfection. Imagine preparing a crispy, golden rotisserie chicken without the mess or hassle of traditional methods. The Chefman air fryer's rotisserie function ensures evenly cooked, juicy results every time. Health conscious? Dehydrate fruits and vegetables for wholesome snacks, preserving nutrients and flavors with ease. Cooking for a family? The XL10L capacity means you can prepare generous portions. Ideal for large gatherings or weekly meal preps. The intuitive touchscreen allows you to navigate through presets with a simple tap, ensuring perfect results whether you're a culinary novice or a seasoned chef. Safety and convenience are paramount. The auto shutoff feature gives you peace of mind, preventing overcooking and ensuring your meals are just right. The large Easy View window lets you monitor progress without interrupting the cooking process. Crafted in sleek black, this air fryer is a stylish addition to any kitchen decor. Its multifunctionality saves counter space, making it an indispensable asset for modern kitchens. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to efficient, healthy cooking with the Chefman multifunctional digital air fryer. Elevate your culinary skills and delight in the art of cooking with this exceptional appliance. Experience the perfect blend of convenience, versatility, and style. Your journey to delicious, healthy meals starts here. Number 2. Transform your cooking experience with the COSOR Air Fryer Compact 5QT, the perfect blend of efficiency, versatility, and convenience designed to elevate your kitchen. Whether you're looking to cook juicy meats or quick, healthy meals, this air fryer is your ideal companion. Reaching up to a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the COSOR Air Fryer ensures your meats are cooked to perfection, delivering juicy, tender results every time. Its powerful performance guarantees that your favorite dishes come out crispy on the outside while remaining succulent on the inside, all with little to no oil. Enjoy the flavors you love without the guilt, making healthier eating a breeze. The 9-in-1 functionality makes this air fryer a versatile addition to any kitchen. From frying and roasting to baking and reheating, the COSOR Air Fryer can handle it all. The 5-quart capacity is perfect for a small family, ensuring you can cook generous portions without occupying too much counter space. Its compact design means it fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup, whether you're in a cozy apartment or a spacious home. Incorporating smart technology, the COSOR Air Fryer comes with 130 nutrition facts included in the app, along with paper recipes for those who prefer traditional methods. These resources make meal planning and preparation straightforward, providing you with a plethora of options for quick and delicious meals. Discover new recipes and experiment with different cuisines, all tailored to your nutritional needs and taste preferences. Cleaning up is a breeze with dishwasher-safe components, saving you time and effort. The COSOR Air Fryer is designed with user convenience in mind, ensuring that every part of your cooking experience, from preparation to cleanup, is smooth and hassle-free. Upgrade your kitchen with the COSOR Air Fryer Compact 5QT and experience the joy of cooking delicious, healthy meals effortlessly. This innovative appliance is perfect for small families, offering a combination of high performance, versatility, and user-friendly features. Say goodbye to complicated meal preparations and hello to quick, nutritious dishes with the COSOR Air Fryer. Your path to better eating starts here. Number 3. Elevate your cooking game with the Ninja DZ201 Footy 8-quart 6-in-1 dual-zone 2-basket air fryer, the ultimate kitchen appliance designed for quick, easy, and delicious meals. With its innovative features and impressive capacity, this air fryer is perfect for anyone looking to cook multiple dishes simultaneously without compromising on flavor or convenience. The standout feature of the Ninja Footy DZ201 is its dual-zone technology, which includes 2 independent frying baskets. This allows you to cook 2 different foods at the same time, each at its own temperature and cooking duration. Say goodbye to juggling different cooking times and temperatures. Now you can prepare a full meal in one go, saving you time and effort. One of the most convenient aspects of the Ninja Footy DZ201 is the Match Cook and Smart Finish features. With Match Cook, you can easily copy settings across both baskets for uniform cooking, while Smart Finish syncs the end times of each dish, ensuring everything is hot and ready to serve at the same time. No more waiting around for one part of your meal to finish while the other gets cold. This 6-in-1 appliance offers a variety of cooking functions, including air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Whether you're in the mood for crispy fries, perfectly roasted vegetables, or dried fruit snacks, the Ninja Foodi DZ201 has you covered. The 8-quart capacity is perfect for families and entertaining. Providing ample space to prepare large portions, designed in a sleek gray finish, this air fryer not only performs exceptionally but also adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Its intuitive controls and easy-to-read display make it simple to navigate through the various settings, ensuring you get the best results every time. Cleaning up after cooking is hassle-free with the Ninja Foodi DZ201. The non-stick baskets and crisper plates are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Invest in the Ninja DZ201 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 dual-zone 2-basket air fryer and transform your culinary experience. Its versatility, convenience, and innovative features make it an indispensable tool for any kitchen. Enjoy quick, easy meals with the perfect texture and flavor, and make cooking a joy, not a chore. Your journey to culinary excellence begins here with the Ninja Foodi DZ201. Number 4, introducing the Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD Air Fryer, your new go-to appliance for quick, easy, and delicious meals. Brought to you by the trusted makers of Instant Pot, this versatile 6-in-1 air fryer is designed to transform your cooking experience, offering unmatched convenience and a variety of cooking options to suit your culinary needs. The Instant Vortex Plus isn't just an air fryer, it's a multifunctional powerhouse. With the ability to broil, dehydrate, crisp, roast, reheat, and bake, this appliance covers all your cooking bases. Imagine perfectly crispy fries, succulent roasted meats, and delectable baked goods, all made with little to no oil. Healthy cooking has never been easier or more enjoyable. Its generous 6-quart capacity makes it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. The Instant Vortex Plus accommodates larger portions, ensuring you can cook enough for everyone without having to make multiple batches. Whether you're preparing a quick dinner after a long day or whipping up snacks for a party, this air fryer delivers efficiency and flavor. One of the standout features of the Instant Vortex Plus is its user-friendly interface. The easy-to-read display and intuitive controls make selecting and customizing your cooking settings a breeze. With 100 recipes available in the accompanying app, you'll never run out of inspiration for delicious, healthy meals. From appetizers to desserts. Find step-by-step guidance to make the most out of your air fryer. Cleanup is quick and effortless with dishwasher-safe components. The non-stick basket and tray are designed to be easily removed and cleaned, saving you time and effort. Spend less time washing up and more time enjoying your culinary creations. The sleek black design of the Instant Vortex Plus adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. Its compact footprint ensures it fits neatly on your countertop without taking up too much space, making it an ideal addition to any kitchen, large or small. From the makers of Instant Pot, a brand renowned for innovation and reliability, the Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD Air Fryer is built to last and perform. Elevate your cooking with this versatile, efficient, and stylish appliance. Make every meal a masterpiece with ease and convenience, and enjoy the benefits of healthier cooking without sacrificing flavor. Upgrade your kitchen with the Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD Air Fryer today and embark on a culinary adventure. Experience the perfect blend of technology and tradition, and discover how simple it can be to create mouth-watering dishes at home. Your journey to delicious, hassle-free cooking starts here. Number 5. Elevate your culinary creations with the COSOR Smart 11-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, a state-of-the-art appliance designed to make cooking effortless and enjoyable. This versatile machine combines the functions of an air fryer, convection oven, and toaster oven, offering 11 cooking modes to cater to all your kitchen needs. Whether you're baking, roasting, reheating, broiling, or dehydrating, this 26-quart marvel delivers exceptional results every time. Crafted from sleek silver stainless steel, the COSOR Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Its spacious 26-quart capacity is perfect for large families or entertaining guests, allowing you to prepare generous portions with ease. Whether it's a whole chicken, a 12-inch pizza, or a batch of crispy fries, this oven can handle it all. The smart technology integration sets this appliance apart. Connect to the VeSync app for remote control and access to 94 pre-programmed recipes, ensuring you never run out of inspiration. The intuitive LED display and easy-to-use controls make selecting your cooking mode and adjusting settings simple and straightforward. With the COSOR Smart Oven, achieving perfectly cooked meals has never been easier. One of the standout features is its 11-in-1 functionality. Air fry for healthier, crispy delights with little to no oil. Use the convection oven mode for evenly baked goods. Or the toaster oven setting for perfectly brown toast. The versatile broil, roast, and reheat functions ensure you can prepare a wide range of dishes, while the dehydrate mode allows you to make nutritious snacks like dried fruits and jerky. Included with the COSOR Smart Oven are 3 essential accessories: an air fryer basket, a wire rack, and a baking pan, all designed to enhance your cooking experience. These accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious meals. The sleek, modern design of the COSOR Smart Oven not only complements any kitchen decor but also ensures durability and longevity. The stainless steel construction is easy to clean and maintain, promising years of reliable performance. Upgrade your kitchen with the COSOR Smart 11-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo and discover the joy of versatile, efficient, and smart cooking. From weekday dinners to weekend feasts, this all-in-one appliance transforms the way you cook, making every meal an adventure. Enjoy the convenience of smart technology, the versatility of multiple cooking modes, and the luxury of effortless cleanup. Your journey to culinary excellence begins with the COSOR Smart Oven. Experience the future of cooking today.